Hi guys, how are you doing? I have this 1968-69 VW Combi bus. I'm not sure if it is savable. It has all the doors, it has all the windows. It's just that it has too much rust on it. Has an engine, has a gearbox. I'm not sure if it's still savable. As you can see, I already took out the engine and the gearbox, so not sure what I should do with it. Use it for parts to build another one, restore another one. And the body outside still looks savable to my eyes. Don't know if it will cost as much as rebuilding it or just buying another one that is already rebuilt. Still has the wiring, the floor are all messed up, but the dog legs are still okay. Like I said guys, I don't know if it is still savable, so it's another project that I'll be working on if I finish the other ones that I'm busy with currently. But we will see if we manage. Still has all the wheels, the brakes are still working, so still has all the lights. So yeah, is it savable or just digging yourself into a hole that we won't be able to get out of? Let me know guys. Sharp.